Hi there, Moshe Azizalahov here with Mercava showing you how to create a flowchart. The Flowcharts app is based off of our markup app. So to use it, you either want to show Mercava's Dialogue Master, as I'm showing you how to turn on here, which can also be selected in the markup app under the Shakavatari Master, or you can create your own by hitting Create New and marking up the text as you see fit. Make sure to click the check mark to save your work to the cloud. As I mentioned before, Flowcharts is based on markup, so make sure that your markup or the master dialog markup is visible when you go to the Flowcharts app in the app bar. From here you can click the plus sign at the bottom, or if you've done it before, at the top right, and it will pull in all of your markup. Once you're in the Flowcharts app, what you'll be able to do is drag all the different boxes that are colored from your markup or from Mercava's master markup and use them on the workspace. To create connections between each bubble, drag them off of the pane and hover one over the other. You'll see a dotted outline which will show you that the connection has been created. You can also double click any bubble in the side pane to automatically bring it onto the workspace. To create multiple connections from one bubble to multiple other bubbles, simply connect it to one and then let go. Once it's on the workspace, you can drag and hover it over another one to create a secondary connection. Click on any bubble or connection and then click the delete button to remove it. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Flowcharts saves differently than any of the other Mercava apps, so you have to do it manually.